are here and we have a new week and a new episode with a bunch of snow and it's super cute outside. So that got me inspired to create this new episode where we will DIY a bunch of cute ornaments for our trees, and they're all gonna be sustainable, and we're gonna use things that you already have at home, probably, I hope. And if you're new here, I started this channel like a month ago after I created my blog for the past 10 years. I will be sharing my day-to-day and a bunch of fun DIYs, all the behind the scenes of life as a content creator in Montreal, and soon my second home construction. Wait, my second home floor. My second floor construction. Oh my god! The construction that it's gonna happen soon. Okay, so yay! Let's get to it, right? Okay, let's do it. If you're like me, I'm sure you have thought, can I make something cute out of this toilet paper roll? So let's do it. For our first project, I started off by grabbing my favorite paint and give a coat on the outside and then on the inside. Select 2 different colors and let them dry for a bit. Now find the center with a ruler and trace 2 parallel lines around the roll and keep at least a ½ inch between them. Draw and mark the lines with your pencil. Using your scissors, cut 8 lines and stop at the margin with just it. Open the flaps very carefully and cut the tips on each side just like a star. Yay! Let's cut 8 more lines on the opposite side and make the cuts using the middle of your new tips. Remember to go until the margin we just did. Open the flaps and repeat the process cutting the tips. Form your new adorable stars just by pressing all the flaps together, and voila! Attach a cord with a hot glue gun and make a knot. Can you believe that we upcycled this toilet paper roll to this adorable ornament? It's so sweet. Our second ornament DIY is the easiest one to make, and you'll just need one material: baking cups. I picked these cups in an adorable pink, obviously, but you can even use baking cups in different patterns and mix them together. Start off by folding your baking cup in half and then add 2 lines of hot glue and start piling them on top of each other. I glue about 15 together and then I finished off opening them very carefully and gluing them, forming this adorable ball. Now add a cord and this adorable ornament will be ready to hang. This one gotta be my favorite DIY video, and I'm gonna show you how you can make adorable paper angel ornaments with just paper. Let's start by grabbing a sheet of your favorite paper and let's measure 4 inches and mark it. Using your scissors, cut the paper, and I'm using this adorable paper with 2 different printed patterns, and I'm gonna link it down below just for you. Fold the paper in half and now cut it. Start folding thin lines back and forth until you reach the end of the paper piece. You'll see you just made the body of the angel. Continue folding the second paper, and when you finish, fold in half, forming the wings. I wanted to add round corners for both the wings and the body, so using your scissors, cut the ends. Now let's glue our angel. I use 1 pattern for the body and a different one for the wings and glue them with my hot glue gun. Add pressure and let it dry for a bit. Add hot glue and attach 1 wooden bead for the head. Thread a cord inside the wooden bead, and I decided to add a cute scarf with a ribbon that I had, and voila, here's our new adorable paper angel. Our next DIY is a beautiful 3D ornament using a wooden shape and raffia, a beautiful natural fiber. Add a line of hot glue on your wooden shape and start wrapping the raffia. Alternate the wrapping process from different sides of your star, and then you just need to cover the entire shape. Finish off by making a loop with a beautiful ribbon and hang it to your tree. Our last DIY is here, and we'll be using an all paper roll and your favorite yarn to create an adorable tree ornament. Cut the roll in half and lay it flat. Now grab your pencil and draw a triangle, and I did 2 triangles and then hot glued them together for a thicker base. Start wrapping your yarn around the cardboard triangle until you cover it all. You can get creative in this step and mix yarn colors or even create a rainbow tree. Finish off by decorating our cute tree with mini wooden beads, different yarn colors, and just add a cord to hang it. Isn't it adorable? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you love this recycled, sustainable paper, yarn, and cute ornament ideas, and you make them at home. And just tag me if you do at @𝘬𝘬𝘴 on Instagram, or just leave a comment below which one is your favorite. I think mine is the paper angel. And I'll see you in the next episode soon. Okay, bye.